Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I discuss about the situations under which doubly reinforced beams are used. We know that what is doubly reinforced section. If the area of reinforcement provided in tension zone and compression zone ASC, this is called the doubly reinforced section. Let us see situations under which doubly reinforced beams are used. First one is when the depth of the beam is restricted due to architectural or any construction problem. For example, cinema halls, if more depth is provided, it obstructed to the viewers. Next, at any supports of a continuous beam where bending moment changes its sign or alternative external loads applied. Next, where the members are subjected to shock impact, that is sudden loader, or accidental lateral loads applied on the members. Next, in bracing members of a frame due to changes in the direction of wind loads. And to improve the ductility of the beams in earthquake regions. And to reduce long-term deflections. To increase the stiffness of the beam also. Last one is when the members are subjected to loading eccentric on either side of the axis. In these situations, we use doubly reinforced beams. Thank you for watching this video.